Hey happy people! It's Laura with a quick and simple tutorial on how to make the treble crochet stitch. The treble or triple crochet is a tall stitch with a lot of steps to it, but it's fairly straightforward and simple. Let's get her done! To begin, you're going to yarn over twice. So once, twice. So you should have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to insert, yarn over, and bring up a loop. So now you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops on your hook. Now you've got just the 2. You're going to yarn over one last time and pull through those last 2 loops. And then you should just have the 1 loop on your hook and your first completed treble crochet stitch. Alright, let's do that again. The treble is similar to a double crochet stitch in that we yarn over before inserting, only we yarn over twice for a treble. So you've got your 3 loops on your hook. Go ahead and insert into your next stitch. Yarn over. Grab yourself up a loop. And then pull through 2. Once. Pull through 2. Twice. Pull through 2. 3 times. And that is your treble crochet. I think that's why it's called a treble crochet, because you pull through the 3 times at the end there. I googled it, and after the first page I didn't find what I was looking for, and we all know that if it's not on the first page of Google, it might as well not even exist. I'm going to show you that one more time in slow motion. Great job on making your treble crochet stitches. This cute little Gudetama was made using a free pattern that I found. I'll put in the description where I found that pattern. And that was the treble crochet stitch. I hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to like and follow for more. Take care.